Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and I'm Aleeza. In today's video we are going to create a native app which is a browser app. We will use Thunkable and not CodePen. For that I have signed in thunkable.com, and this is the page which will open. Now I'm going to click on this button, create new app. Over here I'll give a name to the browser app, and we'll need to select at least one category for it. So I've chosen developer tools, and it's okay if you take this and it's not okay if you not do. I'll click on create. So it's been created. Okay, so if we see over here, this will be the page which will look like this. Now what we have to do is we will use column over here. So I'll search for column. Then inside the column, if you want, you can add a label. So I'll put an label, then draw a navigator, which will be uh, which will be below the screen. 1 minute. Okay, the screen, above the screen you will put the draw navigator. All right. So in the label, let's first do this. So 1 minute. First, if you want to rename it, you can rename the screen as screen welcome. Okay, now we'll move on to the labeling part. Label, I will put hello, welcome to the browser app. Hmm. To yes, to go to see the to see more about our app, open the navigator towards left. Okay, so this will be what we will write. Then you can change the color and the font size, font style as you want. Then font weight I will keep bold. Then text align as center. Okay, the other things are okay. Now also, if you want, you can add an image in this. So I'll add an image above the label inside the column. And 1 minute. First of all, you click on column, where you have to select the vertical alignment as space around and the horizontal alignment center. Space around or space between both will work, but space around will be more better. Okay, now what we will do is we will need to choose an image. For that you can go use this icon 8, or normal you can search through the internet. So I want an image of welcome. uh, so I'll choose an image, will look good. Whichever you want, you can click on that and click on download. You, if you want, you can edit the size and all, and then click over here download. So it's been downloaded over here. I will go over here, click on the image. Okay, I'll rename the image 1 welcome. Okay, now in the picture, no, you have to click upload files. Go to your downloads or wherever you have downloaded the image and click open over there. So it will be showing SS added, and it will take a little time to load, and then after a few minutes you can go through the live test and see if the picture is added. So on my screen it is added. Then now we will create a okay. So I will take this draw navigator and put this above the screen welcome, and put the screen welcome inside the draw navigator. Okay, so if you see in the live test, we will have the preview as like see the draw navigator open, and we have the screen welcome inside that. So now after that we'll open another screen will make another screen. This screen will also go inside the drawer navigator. So I'll rename the screen as screen social media. So in this screen we will add few buttons and labels for social media. So we will do as okay. So in this we have we will need to add a column first inside the screen social media. Then inside that we'll add row. The row will no wait. The row should be inside the column. So it should be something like this, and the column row will need to change it. And we need to fit contents. The width will fill container and the height will be fit content like this. We'll open another tab, go to the icons 8, or else you can use Google. We'll search for some social media icons. Facebook. Mm, so I'll take this Facebook icon. I will download it. By the time it's downloaded, I will take some more icons like Instagram. So I'll take this one. Oh no. Mm, okay, I will take this one. I'll download it. Now I will search for Twitter. Twitter, this one. Now I will search social media. So here it is. Over here, I'll take something from here. Mm, I think I can take WhatsApp. Let's just try that. WhatsApp. I'll take this logo. Download it 1 minute. So I'll now take a button and then a label. In the row also we will give space around and horizontal this. Okay. So the button we will remove the text and remove the background color which will be transparent or white. Now instead of the button, wait, and this label also I will change, but wait. First we'll rename the button as button Facebook, label Facebook. Okay. Now I will duplicate these rows. Duplicate one. Oh, sorry. Uh, I will duplicate the row. So duplicate this one, two, and 3. So it's easy for us now, so that we can just click on the button and the label and just change them. Now over here in the button, I will not add the text. I will scroll down and take this background picture. So I will click on no file, I mean that text box, upload files. I will choose this Facebook image. By the time it's adding, I'll change the label as to Facebook. There's no space. There should be no space. Okay. So I think it's been added. If we see in the preview, okay. So it will take a little time to load. By the time we will add the other images. So we will do the same thing for all the buttons. I will add this now. And don't forget to change the names of the buttons and all. So I will change that Facebook to Instagram because I have copied it again and again. Means I've duplicated the rows for 3 times. So all the rows have same element in name. This will be Instagram. Now I will change. Wait, I'll first Instagram. This is button Twitter. and this will be labeled Twitter. Here we'll write Twitter, and the button also over here in the image we will add. mm, all the things have been added, but it's not loading, so that's why I'm adding them again. So see, you can see it's loaded now. Now over here, last one, I will rename the Facebook button 3 to WhatsApp. And in the image also I will add that image. Okay, it's being added. For once I will need to do that. Over here label also I'll change the name first. It's always better to change the name first because it will help you in the li- coding blocks part. What's So now just the thing I will do in every label is change the font weight to little heavy. I mean like font weight to 500 or 600. Maybe 600 is good. I think 500 is so less, so 600 will be better. Mm, 700. Okay, so this screen is ready, and if you want you can change the color of the background and all. So I will change it to somewhat this but light color. Okay, so this looks good. This much is ready. Now we'll add another screen in it. So first I will close the things over here. If you want you can duplicate the screen, so that will be more easy for you. So I am going to duplicate the screen. I will first save the screen and write over here as social media. Okay, now when I add the screen, click on screen, so copy from my screens. Okay, you have to click on that and choose the one. So I am choosing this. I have clicked on copy. One. It's okay if you choose a blank screen also, but so this is another screen which I had created. So that screen is being added over here. So what I will do is, and I will have to add this inside the navigator. I will rename the screen to screen one to screen cartoon media. Okay, uh, screen underscore cartoon media. Okay, now I will change. Let the back. Now label 5 I will change it to cartoon media. Label 5. Over here I will change the book font weight to 700. No? Okay, and wait, I'll just close all of these first. I don't want to be confused. CM. Inside the column I have to change. I will change one thing. Let's go on. row title CM. The text also I've changed to label CM. Okay, now over here in this row 6, but we have to do the changes. First of all, rename the row 6. We'll need to get some images first, so we'll do that. For this is cartoon media, so we'll go over here now. Cartoon media, so I can think we can take this Nick thing. So I've taken the Nickelodeon logo. Now we can take YouTube. I'll take one of these. It's downloaded. Now I will take maybe Hotstar, Disney. We can take this Disney logo. And the last, maybe let's try if we get something. Alright. So we'll change the images, the row name. So first I will add that Disney. Change the image over here. So this will be changed over here. So Disney is here. I will rename. I will take the label. It should be Disney. Label 3. Disney. I'll just change the size font weight also now only. So I had taken 600. Let's see if the image is added. Image Disney. Now over here Twitter is there, so I'll change the image to YouTube or else Hangama. But Hangama is not yet downloaded, I think so. Um, okay, now let me see if Hangama is being downloaded. Open. Yes, so let's see. Alright, so this screen I will have to add it in the raw navigator, so it's here, and this screen I have to rename it as search engine. So screen underscore search engine. Alright, so one okay, we have it. We will first create the first row, and accordingly we will go through the other rows. We will have to add one column first, then a row. I'll change this detailing about the column first. So the height should be like that. The vertical alignment should be space around only. Now I have to add a row. Inside the row we will have a label. Now I'll change the setting of the row. The height should fit the content. Alright. Now inside the label first I will create this label for the title. So row title search engine, so SE. Then I will have this label SE, which will have search engine, and the font weight will be 700. Size I will keep it to 22. Now what I will do is I will duplicate the row. Now I will just change few things in this row and then I will duplicate. Row underscore Google row 1. Okay, now in this row I will change this one to 600. The text I will keep it like this only for now. Label 3. Now I'll add a button. It will be above the label over here. This row I will need to change the horizontal alignment as space around. The button I will keep it the height as absolute size as 50, width also 50, and then I'll remove the text, the text and then the color, which will look something like this. Okay, now uh, okay, now we will duplicate this row. Duplicate and last duplicate. Now I'll edit it. So first I want some logos. So I'll choose the logo for Google first. This is it. I'll download it. Then I can choose a Yahoo, like the logo for Yahoo. Mm, okay, this is okay. It's downloading till the time logo for Binge or Bing design part which is done. Now we move on to the blocks. So first we will remove this. We'll go to the screen social media. Over there what we have to do is we have to create the same thing variable over here. We will do the first step, which is that it will be the same. Now what we have to do is when button 1 Facebook clicks. Okay, so when that button is being clicked, what they will do is we will go to variables, set app variable to the this we will add, and over here I have few links for social media thing. So I'll copy this Facebook link, and this links will be there in the description box also. You can go through it and add that. Now I'll paste it over here. Now what we have to do is uh, open link on error. Okay, so open link, instead of this link we'll paste this link. Now simple, we'll just duplicate this block, add it for 4 times, because there are 4 buttons in our web that native app screen. So this first we'll change the name of this button 1 Instagram. Now I'll go to the document again. I'll copy this Instagram link, copy. Now I will just change this Facebook to Instagram link. Okay, now the same thing goes for the third button, which is button 1 Twitter. So for Twitter also I'll copy this link, just change the links. Now the last one is what WhatsApp we have. So WhatsApp, I'll copy the link. So I will copy this link from for WhatsApp and paste it over here. Okay, so this is it for screen social media. Now screen cartoon media, what we have to do over here also, we will create another variable. So this will be the same thing what we did. Okay, now we will go on the button 1, which is button Disney. So I'll take this when button click. Over here I will add this set app variable, and if you want you can directly duplicate this also and add it, or else you can copy it from the text. Now over here I'll add the link. So this is the Disney, so I'll have to add this link. I've added this. Now when I go in control, I go down the last block, I will click open link, this one. So I'll paste this. I will duplicate the blocks. Easy. Now let's do the second button, which is YouTube. Now that's done, so I'll just copy the YouTube link and paste it. Control V. Okay. Now next one is button Hangama. This is Hangama. So actually could not find Hangama link. So I found something related to Hangama, so I'm adding that only now. Now that's also done. The last one we have is the Nickelodeon. So button Nick, copy and paste it. Copy paste. Done. Now we'll move on to the search engine. Here also we will click on this variable. Sorry, this will not be over here now. First initialize app variable name, then text over here and this. Now we will go to button 1 Google. Uh, uh, okay. Now variables, set app variable, text. Okay, now inside this I will add the Google link. So here is the Google link which I have got. Now that's added, then controls, open link on error. This block I will take and paste it away. Now I will just copy paste these things. Actually, if we see this app is very easy to make. Only what is a little difficult or which takes time is that we have to do the designing part, because we have to design full screens and all the buttons and labels inside that, so it takes time. So I've added the Yahoo link also now. Now I have to add the binge link, binge or Bing. I've copied it, I'll paste it over here. Last but not the least, Microsoft Edge. Copied. I'll have to change the name over here now. Now I changed it. Okay, so that's it for this coding part. Let's see if it works in the blocks. I mean the live test. Let me minimize my screen. Alright, you can see. So here is the navigator. 1 minute. Okay, so I'll pull the navigator. Sorry. Now I'll click on social media screen. When I close the navigator, I click on Instagram button. See, it took me to the Instagram page. If I click on WhatsApp, it takes me on WhatsApp web page. If I click on Twitter, it will take me on Twitter page. I have not signed in over here, so that's why it has been like that. Over here also Facebook, I did not sign in, so it's like that. Then in the next screen, when we go, 1 minute. Alright, now Cartoon Media. We have Disney over here. It took me to Disney Plus Hotstar. You can see. Then when I click on YouTube. Okay, so but if you add it properly, or I think the link may not be working, my link. So that's what's showing an error. But okay, we'll leave that. And Hangama. I told you I could not find anything related to Hangama, so I got a Wikipedia page. Then we have Nickelodeon. So this is Nick Jr. So here we have it. Then the next screen we have search engine. So here we have Google. You can see it opened Google page. Then Yahoo. It is here. Yahoo is here. Then we have Binge. Then we have Microsoft Edge. I think Microsoft Edge also, the page is like download the Edge and then start doing it. So this was the live test for it. So hope you then all the things, and I will also mention all the links or the pages in the description box. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked my video. If yes, please do hit the bell icon, like my video. I will also mention all the background colors id also in the description box. You can go through that. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked it. If yes, please do hit the bell icon, share my video, subscribe to my channel Aleeza Codes. See you. Bye bye.